The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Potomac River at Edwards Ferry from late tonight until Saturday evening. At 3 p.m. Friday, the stage was 12.9 feet and rising. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast: rise above flood stage by tomorrow morning and crest near 15.2 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early tomorrow afternoon. Impact: at 15.0 feet, water reaches the boat ramp and lower parking area at Edwards Ferry and begins to inundate areas near White's Ferry. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 16.1 feet on December 23, 2018.